Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nushalila Natasha binti Muhammad Rosdi. My matric number is S60220. In this video, I will explain about part 3 individual assignment. So I have done the case 1 question, which is about Skymun Berhad. Let's look at the question A. Calculate the effective interest rate. First of all, we need to do the year-end cash flow. For the year 0, the amount for cash flow is negative 30,000 because this is the amount that bank paid for the Skymun Berhad. And for the first year until 5th year, the amount for cash flow is 7,200 because it is the installment that Skymun Berhad need to pay to the bank. In order to get the effective interest rate, so we calculate equals to IRR, like from year 0 until year 5, and then we just enter. So we get 6.40% for the effective interest rate. Next, question B is prepare the lease receivable schedule. Lease receivable schedule is the schedule for Skymun Berhad to pay to the bank. So for opening receivable, we take the amount from the question, which is 30,000. And next column is interest income. How to get interest income is opening receivable times with effective interest rate. So we get the amount for interest income. Meanwhile, for lease receipt is the same from the first year until the 5th year, which is negative 7,200. And for closing receivable for the 5th year must be 0 because Skymun Berhad has fully paid to the bank. So, how to calculate closing receivable is opening receivable must minus lease receipt and minus also interest income amount. So we get the closing receivable. And for opening receivable amount for the next year, we take from closing receivable amount, which is bring forward the amount. So the calculation for the next year is the same with the first year. And closing receivable amount for the 5th year is 0. Next, we move to question C. Prepare journal entry at the commencement date of the leasing. Journal for commencement date happened when Skymun Berhad agree with bank to pay 30,000 ringgit directly to the distributor. So we debit lease receivable 7,200 times with 5 years and we get 36,000. So and next we credit cash 30,000 and credit unearned finance income 6,000. Number 2, journal to recognize the interest income at effective interest rate. Debit unearned finance income 1,920.67 ringgit. This amount we take from the first year of interest income. And credit interest income with the same total, which is 1,920.67. Journal number 3, to record the lease payment from the customer. We must debit cash. The amount is 7,200 and credit lease receivable the same amount, 7,200. Okay, so that's all my explanation for case 1 for part 3 individual assignment. Thank you.